Hello, welcome to EL1 and EL2. My name is Laura Roy and I am the instructor for this course. This video will give you an idea of what your son or daughter is doing in my class. My contact information is here. That's my email address and my phone number if you ever want to leave me a voicemail. Before I start talking about the class, I also wanted to tell you about the grading in this course. We have weighted grades, so we have 70% of our grades are summative, which would be the longer term projects or performance events that we do, and then 30% of the grade is formative, so that would be smaller assignments that are done a little bit more quickly. Students in EL1 and EL2 will always have the opportunity to retake an assessment or redo an assignment to try to improve their grade and also to practice the material one more time. One of the things that we really work hard on in EL1 and EL2 is reading. We will read every week. The students will be able to choose some of the books that they read in this class. And we have a really cool app on our iPad called Sora. And Sora lets you access a whole library of books right on the iPad. Another activity that is important in EL1 and EL2 is vocabulary building. So we have vocabulary words that we learn and practice every week. Sometimes we practice using our iPad and the Notability app. Other times we can play word games like Kahoot or Quizlet or Gimkit. There's lots of ways that we practice new English words. Writing is another important skill that we work on in class. And as students grow in their English ability between EL1 and EL2, we can see a progression from smaller, shorter sentences to entire paragraphs and then finally entire essays. Finally, I just want to let you know that one of my biggest goals is to have fun with the students while we're learning English. So we do activities like plays, where we can read and write and listen and speak all at the same time. We can laugh together and have fun while we're learning English. So I hope it'll be a great year for your students and for me too. Please contact me if you have any questions. Thank you so much.